AEON Stock Analysis Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end to find out. So I'm looking at Aeon Biopharma stock, and this is actually not that bad. Like, I mean, although it definitely is melting, the way that I'm looking at this is still from this bearish lens. Now, I'm not even trying to be mean or anything. This is just the reality. I've done 35,000 videos, spent thousands of courses and mentors, documented everything. And I'm not even exaggerating when I say I've seen this happen thousands of times. I mean, even from my previous bias, like it came up, tapped exactly into the supply, and then kept melting. Still hasn't delivered yet, so probably will just like leave it like it is right now, and not try and add anything else. The most likely thing next is we taking out the lows. So because there's like nothing in it for me right now and way too late, I'll just keep an eye on this. So this is only for now and not forever from a day/swing trade perspective. If you want to make more money trading in a simple and easy way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.